everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you secret how to turn on Microsoft Edge secret privacy features. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going to start menu, search Microsoft Edge. Now we will go to Microsoft Edge settings. Simply click on three dots, scroll down the page. Here you will see settings. First up, tracking preventions. So first up we are going to privacy search and services. Here you will see tracking preventions. Enable tracking preventions and click on strict. Block a majority of trackers. Here you will see all the details. The next is in private browsing. If you want to private browsing, nothing show to anyone, nothing saved to desktop also, you can simply click on Control Shift plus N to open private browsing. Here you will search anything which will not store to your PC or computer. The next is automatic browsing data cleanup. Simply go to settings, privacy, security. Here you will see privacy. Here you will see clear browsing data. Click on that and choose want what to clear every time you close the browser. You can enable browsing history, download history, cookies and cache files. So the next is password monitor and secure passwords. Simply go to profile. Here you will see passwords and autofill. Here you will add payment method which added to your Microsoft Edge. Here you will see Microsoft Password Manager. Here all your website's password you will show and click on password security check. Here you will check which password is strong and which is weak, and you can then change your password which one weak. The next one is disable unwanted feature. You want disable unwanted feature like personalization feature, search suggestion or activity histories in Cynic. So and that's it. These are the secret privacy feature inside Microsoft Edge. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe for more tech related video. Thanks for watching.